First things first, we are going to make the lowest part, which is where we are also going to make the first slope. The height is 10.5 centimeters or 4 inches. For the foundation, make 135 chains or until you reach your measurement C. After that, add another 3 chains. For row 1, skip 2 chains from the hook and make a double crochet into the next chain. Keep doing this until the end of the row. Now we are done with the row 1. For row 2, make 2 chains. Turn your work and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. After that, skip the next stitch and do a double crochet. Keep doing double crochet all the way until the remaining 3 stitches. We are down to the last 3 stitches. Skip the next stitch and do a double crochet into the remaining 2 stitches. Keep doing this until row 14 or until you reach your measurement D. After 7 rows, I realized that I don't really like the decrease that I made here, so I did a different method of decreasing. Here's how I did it. Make 2 chains, turn your work, and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. After that, yarn over and make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Then, you can continue doing double crochet into the next stitch all the way until the remaining 3 stitches. Now we are down to the last 3 stitches. Yarn over and make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Then do a double crochet into the last stitch. I continued doing this until row 14. We are done with the lowest part and also the first slope. Now we will start with the second slope or measurement E. For row 15, make sure to do 2 chains. Make a double crochet into the very first stitch. After that, yarn over and make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Do the same into the next 2 stitches. After that, do a double crochet into the next stitch all the way until the remaining 5 stitches. Now we are down to the last 5 stitches. Yarn over and make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loop. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat the same thing into the next 2 stitches. And then do a double crochet into the last stitch. Repeat this until row 32 or until you reach your measurement E. Now we are done with the second slope or measurement E. Next would be the last slope or measurement F. For row 33, make sure to do 2 chains before you turn your work. Double crochet into the first stitch. Next, do a double crochet decrease, and then double crochet all the way down until the last 3 stitches. After that, do a double crochet decrease into the next 2 stitches again, and do a double crochet into the last stitch. For row 34, chain 2, turn your work, and then do a double crochet into each chain all the way till the end of the row. After that, repeat row 33 and 34 consecutively until row 39 or until you reach your measurement F. Now that the body is finished, we must crochet the border by doing single crochet from point A to point B. Chain 1 and do a single crochet from the first stitch all the way until the point B. Once we are at the end, do not cut the yarn because we are going to continue crocheting to the first strap. For the first strap, make 2 chains and then double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Turn your work and repeat until you reach your desired length for the strap. So I'm done with the first strap. I also made some decrease to save time and yarn. For the other strap, we are going to follow the border here as a start. We have to make a slip stitch from the first chain of the border. Make 2 chains. Turn it like so, and then double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Repeat that until you reach your desired length. Now we're done with the body. We just have to make the front lace and the back lace. This would be the back lace. Make regular chains until you reach your desired length. Make sure that you secure both ends. As for the front lace, you just have to do the same thing, but you should make it longer and thicker by using more pools of yarn. You can read my suggestions about that in the written pattern. Here's how I attach the lace to the body.